This is my homemade fig rig made out of a drum hoop. I got the idea when I ran across an old drum I had in the basement and thought, hey, I need one of these, so I'll just make my own. The other piece is just a piece of L-shaped aluminum you can get at the hardware store. Drilled a few holes, mounted a ball mount, and just used a 1/4 screw to mount my audio recorder. And I had an old cold shoe for the boom mic on top. This is some of my first test footage. Seems to work pretty well. It's fairly smooth. Mounting this to a tripod was kind of an afterthought. I thought, well, it's round, so that's not going to work. But I managed to fashion my own tripod mount out of a small piece of plywood. And it's a little fiddly to get it on, but it fits. And you don't have to take anything off of it if you want to use it on a tripod.